Hey, hey, hey. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? I am authentic with my words and actions. Be impeccable with your word. Let go of self-judgment and blame. Being impeccable, you take responsibility for your actions, but you do not judge or blame yourself for anything. Animals are always at a high vibration. They are not concerned with life's details. So hold your cat or dog. Talk to your bird or guinea pig. Learn from them. If you don't have a pet, then borrow a neighbor's. Rabbit, recognize your significance. Archangel Gabriel. Maybe do a search on what rabbits and unicorns mean to you. Number 2, accept what is. The act of acceptance will bring peace. $54.54 Clarity. I have clarity in my thoughts and actions. I see my path clearly and make decisions with confidence. My clear mind and focus intentions lead me to success. 2626 Serenity. I create harmony in all areas of my life. I prioritize my well-being, ensuring balance between work and rest and play. My balanced life brings me peace and fulfillment. 5757 Spiritual growth. I am committed to my spiritual growth. I seek higher wisdom and understanding. Expanding my consciousness, my spiritual journey leads me to enlightenment and inner peace. And our last card today before we go to our little quotes. Number 33, you are at the divine Y point. Do a search on what that means to you. Let's do this little one today. Start to notice when you do shift. Is it around certain people, in certain rooms? What version of you is showing up, and what are you protecting? Break your own routine. Go do something ridiculous. Stop living on autopilot. This life isn't a rehearsal. Spice it up. Embrace some randomness. Start creating memories you'll look back on and laugh. Nourish your soul. Yes, yes. Jillian Turecki's perspective. Being deeply listened to by someone who's not trying to fix you is one of the most healing experiences we can have. Until you change your thinking, you will always recycle your experiences. What do you think? Universe, protect me from all the people who see my light and wish to dim it. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.